Mom, my bank account got hacked. They took all my money. I don't know what to do. I'm freaking out.
Stop panicking. I know who took your money.
Wait, really? Who? Tell me now.
I did.
What? Why did you take my money? Wait, how did you even log in?
You used the same password for everything. It was pretty simple.
Mom, why would you take my money? I had over $100,000.
I needed the money for a family vacation. I'm going with your sister and father. I'm going to buy your sister a Birkin for her birthday.
Mom, you can't do this. I saved up years for this. Law school isn't cheap.
Don't be so selfish. Your sister deserves it.
You're fucking crazy. You didn't even ask me.
Stop being so narcissistic.
Narcissistic? You took all of my money. We're talking about $100,000 here, not $100.
So what? Go back to work. It's just money.
Mom, this isn't just about the money. You violated my trust and crushed my dreams.
This is the problem with you. You care too much about money.
I can't live anymore. I can't buy food. I can't pay rent. How am I supposed to survive? And on top of that, you're going on a family trip without me, and I'm the one funding it.
Get another job.
You'll be hearing from my lawyers.
You can't afford lawyers anymore.